Today we're making this delicious spinach and artichoke dip. We're going to start off with 8 ounces of fresh spinach leaves. We're going to wilt all of this down in a pot over medium-high heat. It shouldn't take too long. I also added in a small pat of butter. This is completely optional. You can also steam this if you prefer, or even use frozen spinach. Once all of the spinach has wilted, we're going to let this cool and then pat out all of the extra moisture. Next, we're going to coarsely chop our spinach. Add it to a mixing bowl. Add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. The recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of marinated artichoke hearts, also coarsely chopped. I'm just going to add in this entire jar. Nobody's going to notice. If there's extra in the dip, it'll be fine. Add in 1 cup of sour cream. Half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. 3/4 of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Although now that I look at it, I think my garlic was more on the chunky side. That's fine. Give everything a good mix and make sure that cream cheese is completely mixed in. Grab your baking dish and give it a quick little spray with some non-stick cooking spray. This dish is one of my smaller ones. I checked the bottom and it doesn't say the dimensions. You'd probably be fine with using an 8x8 brownie dish or even the next size up. Take your dip and spread it evenly in your baking dish. Lastly, we're going to top this with another 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to bake this uncovered at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. And before we take it out, we're going to swap it from bake to broil and cook it for another 2 to 3 more minutes. Ta-da! Doesn't this just look delicious? It smells awesome and tastes amazing. I tried it with some pita bread and chips. It was so good. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other spinach dip recipe. It's a cold spinach dip recipe, but also very tasty, and let me know what you think. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.